Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Crafting Essentials. My name's Farrell Taylor and today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to keep your stencils clean. I get asked this question a lot when I'm teaching, so I thought it would be perfect to do a little bite-sized tutorial on how I do that. So with that, we're going to get started with the stencils first. It is very important to have clean stencils. And I'm going to show you a few tips that I use when it comes to cleaning stencils. Okay, so I'm going to do some stenciling because I need to dirty my stencils so that I can show you how to clean them. Now, the number one tip I would suggest is you clean your stencils as soon as you've used them. The longer you leave it, the harder it is going to be to clean them. So I have some Allegro paint here. I'm just going to add it onto our stencil. Now we have a dirty stencil. I love using baby wipes. So I always lay one sheet down, stencil on top, and then use a second sheet to clean. And what this does is it makes sure that you clean the top of your stencil, but also the back. And you can see that it has transferred onto the baby wipe. And you can, just to make sure, do a quick clean on the back, but that is ready for another use. You can do this technique also for dye inks. So I have here dye ink and a dirty stencil. And then so you have your sheet on the base. So you can see that it's transferred through. It's clean on the back and you're ready to go. So sometimes you'll use a paste that's a little tougher to clean. So I'm going to use the Glamour paste. New baby wipe. We're going to lay it down. Second one on top. You can see it has transferred through. Now, there is still some paste on there that is going to be, sometimes it won't come off using a baby wipe. Let's do that. So my trick with that is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. So you can use your baby wipe to rub it. So you will have to use a little bit of elbow grease. So I have used it here. So you can see how it has taken the color off. So if you are very particular with keeping your stencils very, very, very clean, this is a really good tip. And if you're like me, you have lots of hand sanitizer to use. Perfect. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting.